Hi, I'm here to share a manifestation success story. So if you're looking to see how manifestation really works in the real world, I'm hoping to share these success stories so you can see that it actually does work. I'm Dr. Tiffany Shelton Mariel. I am a psychologist and I'm owner of Conscious Life Shop. I make videos on how to create a manifestation mindset, so subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of my videos. And I just want to jump right in. Today's video, I'm sharing my manifest success story of how I manifested my baby girl, who is here, and I'll insert pictures of her, how I used the law of attraction to help conceive her and increase my fertility. So the first thing that I did was I set the intention of what I wanted. I sat down and decided that I did want to have a child, and I wrote down the reasons why I wanted this child and why I believed I would have him or her. So that's really the first step, is just making your intention clear. So that was the first thing that I did. The next thing that I did was I used the law of attraction tenet of visualization. I practiced fertility meditations that I accessed on an app called Insight Timer. There's a fabulous fertility meditation that I use pretty frequently when I was preparing my body and mind and spirit to conceive. I decided about a year before I started trying that I wanted to conceive, and I devoted a lot of that year to detoxing and really preparing my mind, and meditations and visualizations was one of the things that I did. Another thing that I did for visualization was I did a lot of hypnobirthing techniques before I even tried, of just visualizing what it would be like to have a child and to be a mother. And I also created a vision board for this year. This year, I was going to say this past year, it's not over yet, where I included pictures of a black woman with a white husband. My husband is white, so I could visualize, and pregnant, so I could visualize what that would look like. I could have an image of that. I also included on my vision board quotes like, and then there were three. So I really had an idea and something to look out every single day that reminded me of what I wanted. And so that was made into 3 vision boards that I had posted around, one on my phone, one in my bathroom, and one in my bedroom. So I saw those images frequently. So that's how I use visualization, one of the tenets of law of attraction, to manifest her. The next thing I did was to take action. I did a lot of things that I could control. I didn't want to rely solely on just hopes and prayers, so I did anything that I could do to prepare my mind, body, and spirit. Like I said, I did a fertility detox, which I will link below. I wrote down everything that I did in a PDF, and I've shared with many women, and I'll share it with you. It's completely free. I did a fertility detox, so I physically prepared my body to conceive, prepare my uterus to be nice and juicy with the lining. I also tracked my period and ovulation with period tracker apps. I also took my temperature. I woke up like every day as I got closer to conceiving, and the months before, to take my body basal temperature to track my ovulation. I also tracked it with the sticks. I was really proactive in everything I could do. I also saw fertility, not a fertility specialist, but an OB/GYN to get kind of tested and just get a lay of the land physically before we tried to conceive. I really wanted to do everything that I could do on my end to make it possible. So that was the next thing I did in the manifestation process, was just take the actions that I could take that were under my control. And the last thing I did was I surrendered to the things that were not in my control. So this is a little bit tricky. I had faith that I was going to conceive on the first try, and we did. But regardless of timing, I was surrendered to the process of how it was going to happen. I wanted to start trying in December. Life happened, and we didn't think it was a good idea, so we had to push it back to February. And I really surrendered to the process that it's going to happen in its own divine timing, even though I had faith that it was going to happen for me on the first try. And for you, faith may not be knowing an exact timing of when it's going to happen or exact try, but it may be knowing that it's going to happen in the divine timing. So you might have just that faith that you know it's going to happen in God's time, and really surrendering to the process and the journey, because it's not really about the timing or what try it happens on. It's really about the journey and how you transform and grow as a person through this process. So the last thing I did to manifest her, I can hear her on my baby monitor. She's in there napping. It sounds like she's waking up. Was to really just surrender to the process and believe that it was going to happen. So that is my manifestation success story on how I manifested my beautiful baby girl. It was really just through intention, visualization, action, and surrender. If you are trying to conceive, I wish you much luck and success. I also have a manifestation daily routine guide, which you can download in the description below. Please subscribe to my channel. Namaste.
Say hello. This is the little baby I manifested. Say hello. Say hello. You looking up there? She loves to look at the track lighting that we have. But this is Layla. Say hi, Layla. You're gonna be on Mommy's channel. You just had a little burp. She just woke up from a nap. She's probably ready to eat. If you want to see more of us, including my labor and delivery vlog, you can check us out on my family vlog channel, which I'll link below. Say bye-bye. Say namaste. Can you do the peace sign? Uh-oh. Can you do the peace sign? You gotta go up here. Hi. Yeah, there you go. Say bye-bye. Bye.